Introducing the BA410 and BA420 label printers. The BA410 and BA420 are 33% faster than previous models, both with a small footprint. You have the option of an industrial metal casing or a lightweight plastic casing. With clamshell design for easy access, the BA400 series delivers massive consumable capacity and increased parts life. Easy access to load ribbons and labels. Mobile print is made easy and seamless with both Android and iOS support. The BA410 and BA420 are RFID ready, allowing fast collaboration and ease of use. With increased durability, the BA410 and BA420 improve your uptime. What's more, a handy web utility allows you to access the printer's setup and status confirmation.